mawuthi awulali uyasebenza awufani nalabo mhlawumbe abazama ukusebenzela izikhundla ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna lesa sikhundla sika SG.
Oh, okay.
Noma mhlawumbe isikhundla esithile ku leadership ngoba niyakwazi uleader in your own right kulo msebenzi owenzayo nezinyanga.
Yes.
Nokulapha.
Okay, it's a good question because that's why umbuzo right engizophendula umuntu osekhaya. When it comes to position, mina nginandaba ne-positions. I've got ibandla okuthiwa isithelo sikaJehova. Isithelo sikaJehova, it's only kushintsha igama isithelo sikaJehova and sinomkhonto wesizwe. Indlela esirana noma engirana ngayo isithelo sikaJehova, maybe it's mostly the same way in the organization because I'm the Archbishop and the founder, or I can say the president. So yonke lento eyenzakalayo iyenzeka nasebandleni lami. Abantu bayayibanga ikhundla. And why should I worry about the position? Because ebandleni lami ngi-Archbishop, I can do whatever that I want. Ibandla lami ligcwele all over, even sikhona naseZimbabwe, naseBotswana, naseSwaziland. La eSouth Africa siwest. If ngiyabahlanganisa bonke ibandla lami maybe sila ko 8,000. Mahlangene bonke abantu bami eZambia futhi naseZambia futhi. So I'm not worried about the position emkhontweni wesizwe. Mina emkhontweni wesizwe angizela ngindlala. Number 1. Kunomehluko phakathi komuntu ozela indlala nomuntu ozela iposition. I don't worry about if ngangizela iposition. Kwakufanele ukuthi maqala ukhethwa abantu abaye eParliament, mina igama lami lingatholakala khona. Bekufanele ngivele ngiphelelwe amandla, ngiqale ngikhulume kabi ngemkhonto wesizwe ini. But kunaloko ngenze worse. It shows you usekhaya I'm not here for a position. Mina ngizofuna ukubona umuntu wakithi omnyama ekhululekile. And futhi ngiyathanda ukugijima manje ngana position because ngikwazi ukukhuluma noma yini because I don't have a position. The day ngaqala ngafaka ku position ngeke kunezinto engeke ngikwazi ukuyikhuluma because I have to respect my position. Okwamanje ku right ngijima ku yellow line. Lozo tukhetheleza ukugijima njengobani. Lo muntu you must be worried about him or her. Jengamanje you are saying kune space as SG. Let them go for it. Abafunayo, those who think they can do it because kunabantu abafuna ama position amakhulu kunabo but they can't manage them. Mina I know very well ukuthi angifuna position. Ngi-right ngigijimela ku yellow line but imisebenzi yami iyangikhulumela. If they were to say do you want to be given a chance as to be a SG? No. Ngeke.
Abanye abantu basuba waqamba manga kodwa nakhona ama camera bathi no cha ngifuna iposition ngifuna ukuba normal member nje ngi7 nje nobhuti wethu ubhuti Floyd uyowasha kanjalo nakaqeda ukungena ka MK ukuthi no mina noma ngideploywa noma yikuphi ngi-right kodwa manje basekasusiwe kule position useka normal member seka kharo bangumsindo awuqamba manga abanga na njengaye.
Okay, hence ngisho I've given you an example. Ngithi mina umkhonto wesizwe mawuqala akekho umuntu ogijima njengokhehlelezi, akekho umuntu osebenzisa imali yakhe njengokhehlelezi. If I were to go back maybe my bank statement yami ku business yami ngiyobheka bank statement yami maybe sengispend more than 10 million buying people t-shirts, not only in KZN. I said to you Sbu, I bought a car, a van, iSuzu nganikela emkhontweni ngathi le organization abantu abafuna ukumobilize wherever, not only ukuthi ngibanike ivan iphela, wherever la ibizwa khona ngifaka petrol idwala ngo-1,800 ngiyifaka hambani nosebenza odriver ngibakhokhela. If bekuthiwa ngempela bengifuna iposition kwakufanele ukuthi ma igama lami lingatholakala okokuqala kudeploy abantu le eParliament kuthiwe okay alibe igama lenyanga likhona lapha, mina bekufanele ngithi bambe into zami ngiqede nami ngikhoxe ngidlalele. But I didn't do that. Ngisagijima wes ngisagijima kakhulu, I'm pushing. Mina mangibona abantu bakithi benyuswa beyale I don't have a problem. Whoever obekwa phambi kwami kuthiwa this is the leader. Kuyasho phela ngithi mina Sbu mawuthwasa uyatshela ukuthi hlonipha umuntu obekwe phambi kwakho i-leadership. Ngihlonipha umuntu obekwe phambi kwami mina ngaleso sikhathi. So lokho kumele kukunike uma ngithi mina angiyanga eParliament kumele ukutshele lokuthi ayishem uqinisile akanayo, is not worried about position. I'm not worried about position. Mina ngiyasebenza umuntu ongaziyo owazi izinto zami uba intimidated mayingibona lapha uba intimidated mayingibona nginobaba because uzocabanga ukuthi lo muntu ufuna iposition but abakwazi ukuthi bathi ngidla imali yomkhonto because they know very well ukuthi mina nginemali yami angidingi ukuthi manginerali I will tell you something ongayazi. Do you know zonke lezi zinto obona ngihamba ngizenza imina engifanda mina yonke lento sukuyibona komungela abantu stage sound ukudla yini in transport I fund it from my own pocket. Maybe umkhonto maybe ulekeleleka yi1 la kade ngireceive khona abantu about 2600. Yes, they did put imali 100,000 angifuna ubaqambela mama but the whole event cost imali more than 500,000 angifuni imali yomkhonto ngiyazenzela ngothando lisuka kimi so I'm not worried about positions umuntu othi vele abantu abaningi bathe emkhontweni hayi anisiyeke ngalona into yethu kusekude ukuthi lo because yabona abantu mabengana mentality efanele kakhehlelezi singawina somkhonto yes sizowina but sinenkinga eyi1 ngicela ukuthi ungilethelela ngikhiphe ngifake silent
bayakufuna abantu
yeah ngiyayibona lokho ringini izosiphazamisa
nokunankinga nje asenze kanje qhubeka yes siku podcast ke bafethu niyazi nani ukuthi kusuke kube njani uma usakaza ngifuna abantu bami bakubone mina ngifuna bakubone kahle nje yeah
so njengoba ngisho ngithi Sibu izoba inkinga lento yakithi yokuthi uthola ukuthi abantu abafuni ukuthi ba-appreciate abanye abantu.
Yeah.
You know, once you are given someone to lead, asimshayeleni izandla. Kunabantu othola ukuthi bavusa izinto zomuntu izindala. Ukuthi hayi ngeke sikwazi thina ukuthi silidwe. uFloyd vele uFloyd unje yekani ama scandals wakho. Akekho umuntu ongana scandal empilweni. Akekho umuntu ongana scandal empilweni. Mina ngihlala ngisho mina ngithanda secret life. Anginayo secret. Noma ngifonela ngizotshela abantu ukuthi I don't have a secret empilweni. Impilo yami ku social media. What you see is who I am. Ilokho engikhona. Anginayo imfihlo. Ngihlala ngithi noma ngathiwa maybe ngifakwa ukuthi ukhetheleza bese ukuthi uzongilanda i-secret angina secret mina whatever it's on social media ilo okunye kuya createwa ezama ngishaya phansi bathi anginandawo
sekune inkulumo eningi abanye abantu sebathi uyathakatha abanye bathi uzaze kanjani lezinto ezenzakala khona manje eMzansi ngoba uthe unyaka mawuqala ngoJanuary ubulawa nekule podcast
yes
zonke into oyikhulumile ukuthi zizokwenzakala eMzansi zenzakele angikhuluma nge-MK kuphela ewakhuluma nange-president ewakhuluma ngokukwenzakala ku-TikTok ewakhuluma nangabanye
commissioner
sadly you also spoke about abanye abangakithi bako-SABC abazoshona ama-producer konke kwenzakele okubi nokuhle kwenzakele okushilo including lokho ngizokudlalela khona manje from kuyona le podcast ngoJanuary naye enye into oyewayisho. By the way, for those who did not see that episode, go to maybe 30 episodes ago, maybe 40 episodes ago, yani ngoJanuary somewhere around lapho niyo check episode engiyenze.
Maybe you need to repost it.
Yeah, mhlamba must repost it.
Yeah,
cause wona uthe
MK because vele bengisuka MK angisazi ngibona uthe
sorry
MK because vele bengisuka MK angisazi ngibona uthe
hade kancane.
I remember
hayi ngifuna bazoqala ngothi bazo ngobatshela hade
MK because vele bengisuka MK angisazi ngijoin MK. It's going to do very well. It's going to do very well. But June, July, August, 3 months. No. April, March, April, May. March, April, May. 3 months. Unento ezodiscover uZuma azoyibamba. Kunabantu abaseduze kwakhe abazinyoka. 2 people. Very close. Kufika igama kimi kuthiwa ama-infiltrators. They are there to collect the information. Bambathe isikhumba semvu kanti bazibisi. Ngizwe even 2 people who are in the organization right now abambathe isikhumba semvu kanti they are there to collect the information. or to win inhliziyo zabantu. And ubaba uzoyidiscover, mayidiscover, uzothi mayizama ukudilana nabantu, and lose focus. Ukuthi njengamanje fani ngabe senza lokho. Azama ukudilana nabantu. And leyo nto izomlimaza inhlizweni, imlimaze nempilo yakhe. End up isimvusela ushukela ese-attend esibhedlela. Uzogula. Maduze eguliswa abantu abazinyongo. But I did pray ngaphahla ukuthi kumele kube negligence ne-leakage, uleak something. Ivele lento izovela maduze. MK 2026, it is your year. Unyaka wena provided provided u-ANC unento u-ANC taking ziwu-2.
Yes,
uyathusa sometimes mina ngisengijwayela mara there's sometimes angibheka izinto nginokuthuka ngithi lo muntu lo.
Okay, let me explain to that one. Abantu ababuyele abayeke ama-personal agendas. Deep lengizoyikhuluma. Usibu noma simzonda kanjani, but usibu makaphiwu like when uphiwu ukuthi uyaphusha strong. Sebengasho nje bethi hayi ngoba since waqala ukhetheleza izinto ke uthwalanga sibu awuthwalanga ngazi ngikunike ngisho amanzi abusisiwe ngazi even ngithandazela amanzi mina.
Abantu bathi ngisebenzisa igubhu zabo.
Umuntu
obanokutshela lapho bathi ngisebenzisa igubhu zabo.
Esikoleni yes. Ngoba nginikele entweni usibu siyamazi unikele usibu isinike nathi yabo angikhumbule ngithandazela ngisho amanzi nginikeze. Okay, nayi sibu if abantu beneqiniso ababukele ya video, that is just a piece. Ikhona la ngisho khona i-prophecy of 2025. Ngikhuluma ngisho nango commissioner wamaphoyisa ubaba uMkhwanazi.
Khulumela ngopresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Njengoba ngisho khulumela ngabasebenzi base-SABC.
Exactly.
Khuluma ngento eziningi.
All those
most yazo
zenzakele.
And that's hardly 6 months ago.
That kumele inika abantu bakithi ukuthi let's respect i-prediction yenyanga zakithi. I'm not the only prophet, but ziningi inyanga kumele bayihloniphe eyikhuluma izinto zenzeke. Namanje before ngisuke la sibu ngizokutshela i-prophecy ezoyenzeka.
Before the end of the year,
before ngisuke kule podcast namhlanje
sengisho izinto zakho zazenzakala before the end of the year.
Yes ngizoprofeta and ngifuna mangiprofeta abantu bayirecord ukuze bonke labangangifuni yazi yangihlekisa lento. Uyazi umuntu ongakufuni mase zenzeka izinto uhamba uyodlala eseyi1 eshawe pride ayilo umuntu kwasho lo eniyenzeka exactly. Ngihlekiswe ngisho noma ngihlola umuntu esigodlweni ngimhlola umbone ukuthi ungithatha kancane. Isikhathi esiningi mina mangihlola umuntu angimbuke kanje ebusweni. Ibuke ifoni yami ngicofa ifoni yami kanje. Icofa ifoni yami ngakubuki. Abanye azibazi bathini? Hayi lo muntu maybe kunento ayibuka la efonini siyathi ngithi manje I'm not carrying my phone angenza ngizoprofeta manje. Ngizoprofeta mina. Kungcono ngoba sibu ayikho inyanga efanana. Mina sengatestwa ku Soweto TV. I did it live. Cause FM, Metro FM, Radio 2000, East Coast Radio, Hlobo Inene, Kwekwezi FM, lesedangaza ngi zonke sengayo. Ma prophet live. Ngizo prophet futhi asiqhubeke. Ngithe kulento idlalile kunenyongo ezodiscover. I won't say names, but here I will highlight one thing. Abantu bakithi kumele they must be very very careful. Ngicela ukukhuluma ngoDuduzi. Zokhuluma ngoDuduzi.
Awu sisiDuduzi.
Yes.
Awu sisiDuduzi. Sisomuhle kakhulu.
Yes, muhle Duduzi. Muhle. But let me talk about Duduzi. uDuduzi, what I will say is most of the people bambone njani kwi-MK abantu abaningi. Khuluma iqiniso, maybe nawe sombona njengaba abantu umbone njani by bayiyese uyizwa kubantu
I mean ubuza umuntu wrong ubuza umuntu nje uyangichaza
right wena
uyangihlanyisa
asikhulume ngabantu abantu kwi-MK most of them nabantu abangekho kwi-MK bathi uDuduzile ubulala ini iqembu angithi bazobona ngelinye ilanga ekugcineni maybe kunomuntu oyi-1 ozoqhamuka abatshela iqiniso ukuthi lo muntu uWinnie Mandela wethu we-MK mina I understand her and mina ngiyamlandela spiritual ngimlandela uyazi ukuthi uDuduzile oqala sikhulume la do you know ukuthi uDuduzile isangoma wathwasa ubungakwazi uDuduzile wathwasa uqeda wakhishwa isangoma uMakhosi uDuduzile kwazi ukusensa into ayibona uDuduzile makalwa nalendoda ayilwa naye akamsukelanga utshelwa yimina uNkulunkulu ngcweti nasi akamsukelanga kukhona laba gejana khona okwafika kwabanevumelana ukuthi okay iconstitution ithi kuthe makusuka kuhamba lendoda yashintsha uDuduzile wathi never phela ngibambele ligama mina ushintshelani manje yaqala impi akuyena uDuduzile wayelwa nama members of parliament eNational Assembly but umuntu wavela wa-overreacta na ku-social media wani uDuduzile abantu bambona as umuntu stubborn kanti uDuduzile wayesembonile ukuthi khona ubunyoka obukhona kulo muntu washeshe wa-acta yayizwa leyo nto washeshe wa-acta uthe makashesha a-acta kwasho ukuthi abantu babona uDuduzile njengomuntu omubi yayizwa leyo nto lo muntu i-defender le-MK njengoba i-defender le-MK njengamanje kune-propaganda eshayini ukuthi udla imali udla ini one thing mina ngiyaziyo ayikho leyo nto uyamdicampeina uyamshaya ngayo yonke indlela ngoba uyambona ukuthi ngeke uzuqhamuke uzothatha advantage uyenze leyo nto kwi-MK ekhona she will stand alwe athi lo muntu uyabalwela abantu abamnyama akekho selfish ngisho kuthiwa umuntu uyaqhamuka ezoreport ethi njengamanje bangihlukumeza kwi-MK kanje uyadila naleyo nto azama uku-engage but uma umazela kude uzombona njengomuntu omubi so into ethi i-prophecy yami ngayenza iy'nyoka zivelile ngithe mina 2 people abaseduze kababa so njengoba ngithe 2 people I still stand angazi noma u2 people sayuvelile noma sekuvele ngakhe but ngithe 2 people I still stand kukhona yethu se
let's say lo munye obuBut Floyd lobo ukhuluma ngayo noma ungawasho ngamagama
angawasho ngamagama
yeah lo wesithuba
good question lo wesithuba phela ngithi isibu uma ngikwi-podcast angimelanga ngibe over-excited ngento engagcini ngifaka into trap whatever question engiyiphendulayo I must be vigilant ihlakaniphe ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngelinye uma ngumisa enkantolo ngikwazi ukuyivika leyo nto hence ngathi ngifika ngenza iprofesi yokuqala angilibizanga igama lakhe ngithi ngathi I will pray ukuthi kuvele ulike kwalika zavela izinto zaqala so this second one I'm trying ukuthi lento mangiyibeka abantu bangambona kanjani yabo ngifuna ukuthi abantu bambone but angifuni ukulibiza igama lakhe because it might happen ukuthi naye uyayithanda le podcast uyayibuka yabo naye uhlakaniphile mayibona ukuthi okay ngathi sengiyambona uzo-acta ngenye indlela but one thing that I will tell you iMayibuye is not going anywhere. I'm telling you siphahlile sakhuluma emsamo sakwenza konke this new political party eqalwa ayinda I bet ngiyafunga because kunezinto zesintu ezingafunwa amadlozi abazenzayo ngiyiphinde kunezinto ezinye ezimkhuba ezenziwa abanye abantu within that organization idlozi lithi asikwazi lokusiyaqala imkhuba enziwa abanye abantu khona lapha ungizwile ukuthi ngidiphi kanjani noma umuntu ufuna ungibopha ngeke ungibopha ngitheni kunemkhuba I'm repeating this for the third time enziwayo kuyo leyanto engeke ihambisane nabantu abadala. Abantu abadala bazothi no leyanto yenziwe out of anger and futhi ngiyaphinda ngiyayisho ake ngiyithathe ngiqale la. Leyanto into eyayivele iplaniwe ile ndoda isuke ekhaya elidala la asuka khona. Wayiplana nomfowabo, ngizombiza ngokuthi umfowabo ngoba baphila isikhathi eside naye. Bahlale phansi ngichazele yona. Bahlale phansi sichazela ngeprofesi esiyenza. Bahlale phansi baplana bathi ndoda uyabona ukuthi sekufika iMK eniqembu lethu lona de belaza abantu yonke indawo begijima bathi iMK ifika yasigwishaya kwasani ithatha nabantu bethu. Njengamanje nansi into kumele siyenze. You go out and look for those people. Lithi iBhayibheli umalusi omuhle uyayidela izimvu zakhe zonke afune eyodwa elahlekile. Bahlale phansi brothers, they to sit down. Baphuma uhamba. But kumele sisebenzise iintelligence enzima manje. Uma sewubuya ngeke ubuye ngalomnyango lo ophume ngawo. Uzobuya ngomunye umnyango. Khona umnyango ngizosala ngokhanda. Asikali paperwork isheshis. Baqala leqembu elisha eselibizwa ngokuthi what leli libizi because kwayona nje lento ukuthi siloko sibabiza kuma podcast siyaba advertise. It's an advert.
Kodwa uqeda ukuthi bathi mayibuya ngithi
angazi noma iyona but ke yona leyo iqembu elisha. Uma fika izolo sobiza kanjani? Uma fika izolo uyayizona amavukani. Amavukani abavukela umuso weMK, amavukela umuso. Right. Waphuma lo mjini washu washaya i-underground politics wahamba ngaphansi uthe mayifika lapha wahlala wathi ningawarisheki mina ngizohlala nje ngizongena nami ngizombatha lento eniyona because uyazazi kumission wenza into manje yenzwa ama-veteran amasosha uyisosha uhleli because kune-information azoyifuna. Uthe mayifika lapha wathola ukuthi leli qembu it's a spiritual organization. iMK liphethe inyanga, liphethe amakhosi, liphethe ogedla, liphethe abathandazi. Uthi mawungena sibu, uthi mawungena uthi ngekhetha inkosi namhlanje niMK. Bese siqale sithi umoya silalele ngekhaya unukani. Uright samuzwa. Sithe masimuzwa thina saqala sahledla sathi egcineni we are disciplined. Siyama comrade discipline silalela ubaba uthi baba uthini. Akumelanga umuntu ethi maye leadership simshaya. But into soyenza la nathi asihlaba nsibi iwisdom yethu. Iwisdom yethu umuthi. Sigaye umuthi thina. Sihlanganisa umuthi sibayeke bahleke basicriticize benze njani. Into emnandi ngo social media akubona bonke abantu abawuvumelana nento engizoyisho. Ba criticize but umuthi awumile ngaleso sikhathi. Siyashaya. Sathi la izovela lento. Siyambona uNkunzana uthi okay uthi akasifuni isikhundla uyasifuna unamama and two position kade ewafuna the key positions it's either national organizer noma secretary general so that aim yakhe yikuzontshontsa inhliziyo zabantu ufuna ukuzontshontsa inhliziyo zabantu aqula iculo lethu phela an enemy will always be an enemy. Uyamkhumbula sase kwi-EFF noma sase kuleli qembu lakhe ekhuluma une Zuma Masipolo ubani umuntu ayilida leyo nto ubona bayiqala babelida so isitha uyisitha siyohlala sisitha liyanto yahlala ngisho ubaba wakhe washo umpowabo wathi mina ngeke ngize ngithola ukuphumula lo uyohlala isitha sami umsholozi namhlanje sebekuyabona betibambathi ingubo nathi sathula sashaya umuthi thina ezambile ezethu inyanga thina masisonke asikhuluma ngamagama abantu kodwa kugaye umuntu ukuthi singenza njengoba manje kunesiphithi esinje sibhizi ngomuntu sigaye umuntu ukuthi singenza njani bathe befika lapha wawuthola ke le ayitholile national organizer ukhumbula ukuthi national organizer isikhundla esifuna umuntu onepolitiki ohlakaniphile loyo muntu mayihlakaniphile sibu my national organizer uyakwazi kuyenza iorganization imuve national organization ihlakaniphe ngempela ikwazi ukuthi organization imove ngenye indlela uthe ngempela mayifika wayibamba le position wayibamba wamuva ngenye indlela because ucreate constitution yonke into yokuqala the mayifika wafika wabamba constitution wayishintsha leka ba uthe mayishintsha wenze yakhe uthe mayenze yakhe wamuva fast wazama ukwenza ama structure fast uyazi ukuthi vele usetha amabhomu wakhe ubekile izinto zakhe ubekile uthe mayisuka bamshintsha ngoba bebona ukuthi i-constitution uyenze yangathi favor kakhulu national organize bamshintsha bamletha ku SG uthe mayifike zama ukuyishintsha futhi constitution ethuisa ngapha emandleni SG
lo ngiyaconfuse ngicela uze kancane uthi waye national organizer
yes
nakaqala i-constitution ukuyibhala
yes
what nakayenza le constitution wayenza ukuthi i-favor u-national organizer
yamfavorisha amandla u-national organizer wamnika amandla amakhulu
ngamanye amagama wazinika amandla
wayezinika yena amandla
asese national organizer
yes ubaba kanti uhlakaniphile wamshintsha
promoter asithi wampromoter amenzo SG and then what
SG wazama angithi abasayivezi ke leyo sekumele sikhulume iqiniso wazama ukushintsha futhi amandla awalethe kakhulu ku SG ilapho ukusuka khona
angimayi thina abanye bethu angithi asifani ngesikolo thina abanye bethu sislow sicela uhambe kancane wathi masekafika ngaku SG wazama ukushintsha ukuthi alethe lawo amandla kade awanikezwe u-national organizer ukuthi awanikezwe SG
amakakhulu yes
ngoba sekangapha
yes
okay
ilapho
kodwa uyibhala yonke le information ku constitution
yes ilapho kusuka khona umsindo phakathi kwakhe noDuduzile nama MP eNational Assembly badala phela wena wathi pho wayisushintsha manje usuthi because usu SG yasuka ithe mayisuka impi uDudu wa overreactor wayikhiphela ku social media sekuvela uDudu ukwabona mawungaphuma manje ujafa uhlane lunqunu lufike luphupha ithawula ube umuntu baleke nethawula ubume wena umuntu ujaha abantu bawuzobona wena yahlanya wena so uDudu wayenjengomuntu
bazomthakatho bambeke
exactly uDudu bambone gijima emjaha enqunu bathi abantu uDudu yahlanya kanti uDudu akahlanya uprotector abantu sembambile ukuthi hayi man khonto lo muntu ayenza kunezinto eziningi ezenzakale eMoses Mabhida abantu bengadla amakhosi ephathwa ngenye indlela imali kwenzeka ukhoshokosho ngendlela engaqondakala lapha kwathulwa kanti uNkunzane uyayilungisa lento yakhe phela ukhumbula ukuthi iorganization awuvuki nayo udala ipaperwork iqaliwe njengoba ngisho uyiqale noBhuti wakhe bayiqale noBhuti kudala beyiqalile lento vele uza la bayiqalile iaim yabo bekuyikuthi mayifike sebambela ama key positions inhliziyo zabantu angithi ubonile ukuthi abantu abaningi bese be in love naye bebengasafuni lutho sebemthanda ngalindlela sebe even bese bembona vele president or deputy president abantu abaningi bese betula lelo thulo because ngendlela afike yenza ngakhona ekhuluma kahle ngeMK ukuthi I will stand for MK in dugu uma esemuva phela ukhumbula ukuthi uSG number 7 lo sekuthiwa awusukeke uhlale ngesipako omunye uyareact ureacta ngoba vele ikhaya lakhe seliredi ukuthi wala abantu besangithanda isagijima lento angiphume ngoba mangingahlala ngibe member abantu bazokhohlwa mina mabeke bakhohlwa mina mangithi ngiyaphuma ngedwa so angiphume ngalesikhathi abantu besangithanda kakhulu vele yinto abayiplanile noBhuti wakhe ukuthi mase ubuya ngeke ukwazi ukuya ngalonyaka because la kunabanye abangayi-understand into yethu esiyiplanile bayothi mabekubona ubuya izo-affecta bese beyaphuma abantu bathi kanjani ukhumbule phela ukuthi uBhuti wakho uke washo wathi i-constitution yala ekhaya ithi umuntu mayiphumile uhambe nomphela but the only person esingakwazi ukumbuyisa mina yilo uyena ongahamba aphinda kuyo so uma sebuya kuthiwa hayi mawusubuya buyela ngapha kuleli khaya elinye esilakhile you know why bayazi ukuthi mase kuvotwa bazovota ndawonye vele lo mayivota nalo into yandawonye bazohlangana kanje njengoba njengamanje kune GNU iANC yahlangana neDA neIFP bambatha ndawonye so bona mase kwenza iGNU kuyoba ulo wezibomvu ahlangana nalo bahlangana maybe bathathe neliwali iqembu but into eyi-one so yinto le eplaniwe so abantu now they are confused laba bathi thina sihamba nozibani yes ifanele bahambe nayo ngoba vele bezontshontsha inhliziyo zabo but into engiyithandayo ngithanda ukuthi abaningi baqalile man yavuleka lento ukuthi hayi man because iqiniso li ngeke akwazi ukuyontshontsha abanye kwamanye amaqembu ngeke akwazi ukuyothatha la aphuma khona bayamazi ngeke akwazi ukuyothatha ku-ANC bayamazi because ngeke akwazi the only people azokwazi ukubalutha uzolutha la ku-MK ibona azokwazi ukubalutha futhi nakho uyolutha laba engizosho ngithi badomu abantu azokwazi ukubalutha abantu abaclever bazobona ukuthi hayi man lo indawo angakwazi ukuyiphatha angakwazi ukuphatha iregion kuphela mase kuthiwa uneqembu lakhe ngeke akwazi ukuphatha national ngeke lo muntu uphethe akabathanda abantu utshela mina wakwambona ehleka nabantu ehleli nabantu akabathanda abantu ufuna lento asuke ifuna ngaleso sikhathi nje iqiniso yilelo but to be honest with you ipolitiki yakhe yena ngiyayithanda uyapolitiki kakhulu angifuni ukutshela manga I learned a lot yabona kuna la ifike addressa khona into engayithanda kuyena wathi if you are a politician you must be able ukuthi mawukhuluma noSibu nisendaweni private ukwazi leyo nto ukuyikhuluma public because it shows ukuthi bongahleli leyo nto you can stand for it as leyo nto ngayifunda kuyena yabona so izinto ayikhulumayo they do make sense but azifuni ukuthi umlalele manje ukuthi ngiyakoma manje funa ngathi into yakho ngihambe uyidigest because ukhuluma le politics yokuthi angaconvince manje akuconvince manje umlandele so into engisho ukuthi ngiyayithanda ideology yakhe but le ayithathile ukuthi uyoyimela yedwa cha angeke yendawo lento lo muntu ugood kwi-admin kwi-paperwork is very good nokumisa ama-structures very good but as for ukuthi abe lento yakhe le nto ifuna umuntu angathi yabo umsholozi uphiwe lento kuye emzimbeni wakhe uphiwe he was born to lead hayi ukuthi lona ayikhona umuntu ombona ukuthi lona imagine sekuthiwa iSouth Africa iphethe ulo baba ngeke uma VBS ngeke akwazi ukuyiphatha iSouth Africa ilokho engizokusho
abanye abantu bathi ubaba vele ubemlethele lokho ukuthi azobhala le constitution nakaqeda bese uyamxosha ekubeni akakamxoshi ubaba akaqosha ngithi
iqiniso lithi
useseyimember
ubaba mawungaya kuyo into ebulale futhi kakhulu maybe esishayile emkhontweni idala confusion eningi ilo nto ukuthi abantu bagijima bawugcwala lapha enkandla mabe bhorekile baya lapha enkandla mawuyibona ngathi no2 million ephaketheni lakho nemali gijima wenza iconvoy yenkandla yazi mawufika enkandla baba uthini akakudisappoint uvela ethi Sibu ngiyakuzwa yonke into esho hamba usebenza usho njalo baba yabona manje hamba usebenza wena so utshela ukuthi suyitshela ukuthi yonke into ayisho kade uzoyisho kuyi i-right bese ucela ukuthi baba ngicela ukushutha nawe isithombe mawuqeda ukushutha nawe isithombe lesa sithombe isona esidestroy izinto ngoba uye emagroupini ubaba uthe mina you've never seen me ngishuthe nobaba angiboni ukuthi wakwasibona isithombe social media mina ngishuthe nobaba I don't do that enkandla maybe ngiyanje one thing engiyenzayo mina ngiyasebenza mina ngigijima ngiyongena ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ubaba into emjabulisa yini imisebenzi ufuna imisebenzi akafuneki ukuthi lokushutha naye wenza ini
it's one and the same
into engizoyisho ukuthi
what name you use man
ziningi inyoka
athi ke na ngofakazi
ezizalwe inyoka enkulu inhlwathi izele inhlwathi ile nyoka ethi mayihamba ishintsha amakhala inyoka yesintu abantu abadala inhlwathi mayifuna ukubamba Sibu elangeni yazenza njani wena ungafika ume yamuva ngithi mayimuva nje ilanga le ishintsha amakhala wona lokuthi ile nyoka inhle kanti ile sikhathi sondela kuwe ithi mayisuka lapha ibaba so le nyoka enkulu le izali inyoka kuma province na kuma region ziningi inyoka ezigcwele kuma groups ziningi inyoka ezishumayela igama lokuthi asambeni abantu bayazi ukuthi yini abafaka emkhontweni. Uma ngempela wafaka umngani wakho ungazazi ukuthi uzoyenza cha bazophuma. But mawuzazi ukuthi wafaka yini ufake frustration yaka ANC yaka DA yaka AFP wonke lamanye amaqembu la emkhontweni uzokhulula abantu. Most of the people they are frustrated bahleli bathi siyophuma thina sesiyovota. You know who are those people? Abantu abafika befuna ama position. Most of them abantu who were given positions and they were removed because ushilo phela umsholozi wathi we don't have permanent positions. We only have ama positions wesikhashana sizoloko sishintsha so that ungazi ugcina ucreator ispace sakho ugcina upromise abantu esingabazi uzwile ukukhulunywa ngoMorocco takunemali ephuma eMorocco uyazi kanjani ebe uSG phela uyazi kanjani zonke lezi zinto ayikhuluma. It must give you a question ukuthi lezi zinto why bengayikhulumi esase ku leadership uthi yena kunemali yadisebenziseka ngendlela engaqondakala ngithi but iqiniso lithi sibu ngifuna umuntu acalculate 1+1 uphuma i-answer. Iqiniso lithi ubaba lo uma VBS mayifika ku MK uTG bekumenzi if I'm not mistaken wa resign usikhashana nje sincane wa resign kwangena lo baba umthandi angazi noma umthandi nongwani I think naye wa resign kuhlale isikhathi eside kungana TG ebe SG aphinda abe uTG esayina yonke into. So makune imali elahlekayo umkhonto wesizwe akuyona phela iphathi encane iphathi enkulu makuthiwa kuno 7 million othathwa every month ungazi ukuthi usho ukuthi ngaba ikabanjwa leyo nto ngoba phela i-audit yenziwe sonke lesikhathi ngaba ikabanjwa leyo nto ngabe iqembu selivaliwe. Lo ma VBS ebevele esebenzisa imali eyintshontsha yena ngendlela yakhe thizeni efuna ukuthi ayoderegister iqembu kwa-IEC but uhlulekile because this is a spiritual organization. Baningi abasazoqhamuka njengayo abazofika bathi bane experience befuna ukuzoshaya iqembu phansi but ke into emnandi ukuthi ubaba uthe this time indlela azosebenza ngayo uzosebenza nabantu bonke abaqala iqembu ababenikela ngento zabo beqala hayi ukhehlelezi because mina ngishilo ngathi baba mina uqalume ngami mina nje ngeke ngijime ngizohamba ngibabona laba engithi mangifika ngisebenza wena ubakhehlelezi hawu wazi wasifona kuyisikhundla umuntu ethi mayifika ezosebenza engazili ukuzodiliza iqembu ukuthi wena ungubani so sefanele report ku siyabazi bonke lawo bantu and we know how to deal with them. Bakhona bathe ku social media bezama ushawukethela bathi yona intelligence yabethi intelligence yaka MK
nami ngisho kanjalo ngoba ukhuluma izinto before zenzeka mase waze kanjalo.
Okay but intelligence angithi ayikhulumi ivele ithatha ihambise la kumele ihambise khona bese iyathula bese laba baphambili ba-act bese yamangala ukuthi hayibo bengathi ngiyaganga bangibamba kwenze intelligence isebenzile. Mina ngikhuluma public namanje ngikhuluma public the only way ukuthi kulunge lento oqala ngelinye ilanga bathi maqala lento okuthiwa i-Women's League angazi noma kwakuyi-birthday ka omunye womakoti bakababa bashona ababongo omama abanye babesuke esikhothi ngamatekisi bashona le nkandla umoya ongcwele kimuthe labo bantu laba bashonela khona kumele kuhamba belaphi bendabuko uma beya khona futhi I will end up doing it from my pocket. Ngizoyenza lento ngoba ngiyalibona iqembu liyaphela ngizoyenza lento from my own pocket. Uthe umoya ongcwele kimi kumele kuhamba belaphi bendabuko abelaphi bendabuko bahambe bephethe amakhandlela baye la okwaphelela khona ngoba bawa ngamatekisi bashona etekisi bashona abaningi so baye khona la bashonela khona bafike bazokhuluma nabo bephethe amakhandlela bakhulume nabo bese beyasuka ngala makhandlela abelaphi bendabuko baye olwandle mabefika bangene bephethe la makhandlela kanje bangene olwandle beyohlambulula la makhandlela bangene bengathi bayabhaphathiza bakhuleke mabephuma olwandle there must be different pastors bemile ngaphandle kolwandle abefundisi labefundisi ba receive lezi inyanga ziguqe babathandazela bathandazela la makhandlela bese beyasuka labefundisi bahambe nalezi inyanga beqonde etendele elikhulu laba bethi mabefika khona omama angathi bangaphakamisa amakhandle bazobelayita amakhandle baphakamisa omama women's league baphakamisa amakhandlela kanje bereceive labantu abazobefika bephumelwa babahlangabeze bese befundisa kube inkonzo leyo nkonzo kuyisikhumbuzo sikhumbula labo mama bashona ngoba njengamanje njengoba kwenzeka lento kulwa lemoya labo mama iyalwa bathi asinakiwe asilalanga kahle la esikhona ene yonke labo mama bayimoya elwa nezinyoka zonke ingena la so the only way with labo mama bathola ipower abakhanyiselo lezi ibanga ziphakanyiswa but believe me Sibu I don't think izoyenziwa lento because kufanele zikhulume omunye umuntu maybe ozoyizwa lento but I'm still saying la uma lento bengayenzi bafaka upresident ngaphansi kwebhasi I'm saying this uma bengayenzi lento Sibu baba uzukulu mayigula simlose because the moya labo mamiyalo izosiphanisha mayisiphanisha bathi omkhulu kimi bazothatha lo muntu oyiflower oyimbali yethu okuba sizomluza ba. Let me say this again and let's move yafisa uthema siqala Sibu wathi the prophecy that you tell me today into ezoyenzeka this year but yes uma lento bengayenzi Sibu before kushaya umhla ka 14 February 2026 sizomluza
ungasho kanjalo
sizomluza ngoba njengamanje lemoya uma izamazana yenza ukuthi wonke umuntu obekwa phambi kwethu kuthiwa lo usibuna ngisiyamazi une leadership skill unamagalelo anzima uzosilida siyomdla simqede kungafika kuvuma abawu4 bathi hayi impela usibuwa kalide abawu5 bathi lotho ngeke silide usibu ini siyomdla simqede akekho at this time umuntu esiyomvumela phambi kwethu sithi uyasilida akekho umuntu esiyomvumela phambi kwethu sithi akasilide because kulwa imoya yona esisukumile elwayo uthanda umuntu kimi uma kudlula lapho abantu beMK the members bazoqedana ngebha bazodubulana iningazi ezochitheka bazotshontshana kakhulu isibhamu sizokhala isibhamu ngibona sikhala kakhulu futhi ngibona kusuka lo abemntoyitoyela bemsiza umkhanazi usazobopha kakhulu la investigation phenyo usazolenza olukhulu baningi abantu abaplanayo baplanelana hayi ukuthi yebo ikhona into okusukunyiwe basukuma abanye abantu abanamandla basukuma ngamacults wabo basukumela iqembu ngibone iflag ibhayi leMK ngibona iflag lithathwa liyosetshenzwa kwenye indawo but hayi la South Africa phunyiwe kwasetshenzwa kwenye indawo lasetshenzwa lithema lisetshenzwa ngabona umkhonto emithathu isetshenzwa kwenye ithumbu ithema isetshenzwa kunendawo ezintathu lo umkhonto la kwakuhlangene khona abantu kwamarali ezihlukene kwakugcwele khona kakhulu abafika bathatha inhlabathi zakhona zayosetshenzwa naleli bhayi kodwa into eyolungisa lento ukuthi akubuyele la okwafela khona labo mama bese kuyolwandle zibe khona umkhonto uwona futhi ofanele ukhipha imali leyo nto uyifande ukhipha imali otherwise ngisho bangaba nenkani bayenze leyo nto simluzu baba siloko sikhala ngale ngeke bakwazi uunite bayothi mabeqala bethi bahlangana balwe bahlukana bethi bayohlangana balwe bahlukana lento ayisukunyelwe with immediate effects ngoba ngiyizwane i-youth league ngiyizwane i-women's league ngiyizwane amaciko ngeke bazwane na labo bantu bohlala belwa leyo nto yona mele isukunye ilungiswe futhi ngiyoloke ngisho ngihlele eBack City kanje iloke ngiyikhuluma kancane nithi ngicela nilungise ukuthi ila uyolunga khona izinto. I thank you.
Ungangiphendula umbuzo wami is fine ngisazokubuza lo mbuzo before i-podcast iphela kodwa ngicela ngokomoya usesekuleso spirit ngicela ungitshele uba noyothatha isikhundla sika SG manje.
Bayabona Sibu bese iprofeta lento kodwa isizathu singene esoyenza ngakuniki leyo answer imoya yabantu iphezulu and manje into engiqeda ngikhuluma is too sensitive. Wonke umuntu othathwa abekwe phambi kwabantu manje bamdla bamqeda. Wonke umuntu obekwa kanje bamdla bamqeda. Akekho umuntu abamfunayo manje ama-members e-MK. Kahle kahle baye abantu abafana nokuthi sifuna manje le moto ihambe without drive. Ayihambi. Akekho drive umuntu oyedwa manje drive umsholoza gijima yedwa sibuka bakhohle ukuthi usemdala. Ubaba sefanele manje ahlala abe-advisor. Abe nama-advisor nje abahleli nje bathi hayi hambani. Hayi man, hayi man. So it's difficult to respond on that one because mina ngizokutshela with the honest heart ukuthi njengamanje umoya ongcwele ukhombe bani hayi ukuthi awumshongo Sibu umshilo the moment ngiqeda kumkhuluma la yolala itrend bamshaye bambuzela izinto zakhe makuthi unazo bamshaye ngimangele mina kuwe kwakhulunywa kwendoda abathi uPhumlani Mfele okwe kwakhulunywa ngayo kwathiwa he might be the next coming SG. Washaya wavusela izinto washaya wavusela amavidiyo amadala washaya kwathiwa uyadelela in kwathiwa uba lo head of election washaya naye kuthe kusuka lapho kwathiwa uNhlamulo akakasho ubaba njalo kusama abantu basakhuluma ma-ESA
ama-speculation
exactly uNhlamulo naye washaya yabona abamshaya khona ukugcina uNhlamulo umuntu bamdi campaign lana benze ifoto kuthiwa i-photoshop
nabathi ubheme idakamizwa
lokho ngiyakanda
kodwa wenza ama-test bonakele ukuthi akazibhemi idakamizwa
khona laba abamenze khona i-photoshop elele kwi-quantum eleleke number 1 uNhlamulo akaligibeli i-quantum akaze waligibeli i-quantum isithombe and uzubona ukuthi abantu bakithi abamnyama i-system isishayile silwa sodwa abelungu manje bathi we told you abelungu abanqene ukuyifanda lento bakhipha 200 million lo 200 million but they give instruction A1 ukuthi make sure that these people they fight among each other make sure abanqene ukuyifanda lento abelungu bathi they must kill each other man khiphani inkabi hitmen they must kill each other maqala ngathi kuyakukhalisa bamabulala bese thi minister of police Bob kwazani gcwalisa amajele so isystem isibambile manje silwa sodwa manje
umoya uthini who is the incoming SG?
I can't answer that one so ukhona ukhona osekukhulunyiwe but umthandazo wami uyi-1 ithi Nkosi njengoba usungikhombisile this is a sensitive thing angeke ngikwazi ukuyikhuluma but ngikhulekela ukuthi Nkosi umsholozi mvule manje ambona mfake am-accepteni mayamfaka abantu bam-accept up until lento yenziwe abantu bawu-accepta i-leadership yobekwa phambi kwakhe uku-accept i-leadership Sibu ukuthi mayithathi uSibu wabekwa la abantu bamjabulele bamsupport whatever coming bathi bamcriticize bayi-defend they must defend and akekho umuntu ofanele akhulume kabi ngomuntu ongumholi that's what I know awukhulumi kabi ngomuntu oyi-leader obekwa phambi kwakho asikaze sikhulume kabi ngoFloyd thina uFloyd esase-SG because noma kuthiwa benzani besi-support we are supporting that we are so disappointed now makayenza lento ayenzayo because thina besimazi ukuthi umholi yayizwa leyo umholi that we see a leader but lento we are disappointed but at the end of the day nayi ama-rights wakhe ukuthi aqale whatever iqalayo izophela la iphelela khona but ke ngeke ngikwazi ukuyiphendula ukuthi who's the next coming XG ngoba yolala ngemubi bese kuthiwa vele umngani yakhe ehlele ezikhuluma naye athi unfortunately I don't have a friend and lo muntu engimbonisiwe akuyena umngani wami umuntu yazibungu ikhonjisa umuntu ongekho ku social media ongekho umuntu nje a normal person
umuntu omdala over 50
maybe na 50
okay
maybe na 50 or 48 47
okay
or 53
okay
umuntu omdala ya matured but akekho ku social media ufundile uyena umuntu onguseyo
okay
who can lead lento ka SG ayiqondisa futhi wonke lo msindo ngawuqeda but we will pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu but engithandazela ukuthi yenziwe ile ngisho because inama consequences dangerous
bamdlela ubaba kaNhlamulo
kunjani
hayi ngifuna ukuza nje umcabango wakho ngaye
okay ubaba uNdlela ngiyamthanda ubaba uNdlela humble akatatazeli baba kaNhlamulo uJoe humble bayinikela emsebenzini wakhe abantu abaningi bese beqamba manga they were busy giving him information, the wrong information about me. Unfortunately, an enemy who's watching right now, whatever about me, where he had alone. He brought it to me. Okay, now we talk about Mundi, so it's something now. And I was like, there was a video actually, I think 3 years or 4 years back, 3 years back. I don't know which church is that.
In the Blue.
I think Babe Mthandazeli.
Oh.
So bamshaya angazi noma waphumiso.
Oh.
So abantu
uyathatha leyo video but kuyenzakale kwakho.
But
okay.
Unfortunately ngamfuna ngaze ngamthola lo muntu.
Yeah.
I invited her so la wafika. Bayikhulume no akangimazi ukhehle lezinye. Yaqala ukumbona samsiza ke. So bese bebuyisa leyo nto yazi politics kulethwa yonke into. Yabo so unfortunately ubaba Nhlamulo wangitshela ukuthi hayibo nansi into bengitshela ngawo. So bona mabebona ngisebenza nje they thinking ngifuna ukuba national organizer. Nethi no man. Mina ngiyasebenza. Yabona mama I'm praying to God ukuthi akube kwi-organization akube nokhethelezi abafana. Akube nabantu abafana nokhethelezi. I'm not worried about any position. Even if unganginika ngafika ngithi asikali sihlale phansi. Ngikutshela ukuthi listen, yes ngiyajabulela into onginika but at the same time ngicela uqalume. Ake siqale sikhulule umuntu omnyama uqala. Then we talk about positions.
We announce nini publicly a membership yakhe noma ngithi uyijoina nini officially iMK ubududuzane Zuma ubudukaduduzile uza nini emkhontweni
ududuzane uyiMK uyimember yeMK okwangempela. One thing about ududuzane angazi noma ngithi move slow is our member iMK member. I think nambona emngcwabeni walabantu engisho ukuthi bashone hamba nobaba wakhe. I think 7 like 3. The only thing about ududuzane akawuthandi umsindo. He doesn't like umsindo. He likes being at the back and he understands this leadership thing. If I was born to be a leader, I will lead. People will pull me from the back and I will end up leading it. So Uti, just because people are still fighting, so I rather step back than let them fight. After all these fights, then I will then come and join. But he is our member. Unless you guys want to see him maybe talking about that publicly, as you've just said, when is he announcing it publicly? Maybe I will have to talk to him or convince him with Araisha publicly. But he is an MK member. From what I know, Ududuzane.
Ngimfonela.
Ududuzane.
Ngifuna ukumbuza ukuthi uannounce nini ukuthi
Ngitshela ukuthi nokhethelezi.
ngizomtshela.
Describing you have dialed in your
Aw, i-off le okay ngimfonela kwesibili.
His phone is always off.
Uzoyibamba. Funa ukumbuza ukuthi uyijona nini MK official.
Hlale nama-meeting.
You have reached the mailbox of
Okay.
0.
Uzabuya kumina. It would have been nice ukuthi ayibambe man. Sishaye once la ku podcast.
Ethi ngimzame nami.
Njengomuntu womoya wena, umuntu womoya, umbona akusiphi isikhundla?
Ududuzane.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a trick. That's a trick one.
Oh, sibuze yena, bekufuna ukubuza yena nayinana sikhulumele la emakhamereni. Mhlambe kuzoyibamba ukuthi ayinayinyanga kababa iyafuna.
Inyanga kababa wakhe. Uzuma usebenzisa umuthi. Uzuma uyathandaza.
Strong kangaka.
Uyathandaza. Unendlela yokuthandaza, unayo indlela.
Akuthi uyakhona ukuzenza zombili phela umuthi nomthandazo uzahambelana.
Like me.
Angithi umuthi usetshenziswa ngamanzi. Yabona kabamba usemeeting nakunankinga. Angithi umuthi usebenza ngamanzi.
Yeah.
Most ibithe nipheka amanzi angithi akusama chemical.
Yeah.
Most.
Yeah, you know, umuthi kahle sibuna lento le umuthi
ihlahla namanzi.
Ihlahla nento kadokotela, the difference is ukudaba nokujova. Abelungu bathi no, thina ngcono simhlaba umuntu simjova. Thina siyamsika. But into yodwa ingena esikhumbeni yonke le. Abelungu bona bayi advance. Bayifaka phakathi la ku nickel, bayifaka ngamanzi, bayajova. Then thina siyifaka as it is esikhumbeni siyasika kancane. So into eyi-one leyo.
So ukuthi le mithi yabodokotela yona musa futhi iyama chemical. Kodwa le yeni imithi iyihlahla ezigayiwe yahlanganiswa namanzi. Oyahlanganiswa yona ngokwayo yahlanganiswa namanzi. Into ephuma emhlabeni anyway angithi.
Izonke eziphuma emhlabeni into ehlanganisiwe yahlanganiswa namanzi. Intelezi ihlanganiswe namanzi. Because intelezi sithatha amagolo neimpande sifake laphana kube amanzi, then that's it. Nembiza siyayibeka kanjalo. That's it.
Ngiyakuthola.
Yeah.
No asibuye kuyo yona indaba kaDuduzane. Umbona ekusiphi isikhundla? Into zakho nasezikutshela. O noma ngibeke kanje. Thingithi wena ubungathanda umbona occupy yipi iposition.
To be honest with you,
ukuncede MK ukuthi ikhule nama elections azayo.
I can see what you are pushing me corner.
Akufuna ukwazi abantu bafuna ukwazi.
And then people will start putting words into my mouth. And then they will say things that I didn't even say. Yabo. So iqiniso lithi kulokuzweni uDuduzane.
Yeah.
Maybe uma sikhuluma iqiniso ngilive TikTok.
Yeah.
uDuduzane masingakhuluma iqiniso.
uDuduzane.
Yeah.
Nasingakhuluma iqiniso uDuduzane wenzeni? Ngifuna siqale kahle bezwe nabo laba bakho ba ku TikTok. Siyanibingelela abantu abadala, siyanibingelela ogogo omkhulu, abobhuti nabosisi nezingane zethu. Inyanga enkulu, inyanga yodumo umzo ihleli noSibu. Eyifoni yakhe ihlala ekhaya. Nango baba umzimba nayo uyakufuna. Aya nankinga sikhathi ku podcast sizokumela sinankinga.
Mzimba.
Ngisifunela lama answer nje. Ngihasilela nini lama answer ngisebenzela nini?
Into engizoyisho Sibu ithi into yami mawungibuza no put it
ngoBududuzane Zulu.
Yes. No.
Oh yeah, bana lapho duze kwakho.
Because they want to see me.
Bafuna ukubona.
Yeah. Mangikhuluma ngoDuduzane. uDuduzane unalo ugazi kababa wakhe. Unayo lento kababa.
Bamthanda abantu
Too much. irregardless phela ukhumbula ukuthi
abantu ababathanda ukuthi irregardless there's no such a word, it's regardless.
Irregardless. So okay, uDuduzane kwethu unayo lento kababa wakhe.
Yeah.
Noma kuthiwa abantu bangathini lento kababa wakhe uyabona nawe ukuthi mayiqhamuka abantu banayo lento yokumthanda.
Nami ngiyamthanda zonke siyamthanda. Angifuni nokukhuluma nawe abesifazane bamthanda West.
Bamthanda West.
West, obvious.
Yeah, so uyabona nje ukuthi but as for SG, phela ukhumbula ukuthi SG kufanele umuntu wazi isiZulu.
Azange ngikhuluma ngo-SG, ngithe wena umbona kuyiphi position?
Duduzane. Bethi into omkhonto bethi sensitive. Wakhuluma into la kuthiwa uyabona uyalobhisha ukhethe.
Okay.
Yeah, let's out of from a camera.
Okay. Bazothi usebenzisa ama-podcast ngokuzaba nonyaka
manje uyabona uyampromote uDuduzane. Mina ngizoyikhuluma nawe ukuthi yabo uDuduzane ngimbona la ungaba right la. Enye into ukuthi unenhliziyo encane. uDuduzane unenhliziyo encane. Inhliziyo encane inhliziyo yakhe encane. Ipolitika ayifuni umuntu onenhliziyo encane.
Kusho ukuthini na uthi unenhliziyo encane?
Short tempered. Ipolitika ayifuni umuntu short tempered. You must noma abantu bangakuthuka kanjani. Like mina ngendlela abangithuka ngayo ngabe kade ngaphuma kwipolitika. But noma umuntu ongathi ngiyinja angikaze ngakhonkotha. Akubuka nje ngithi
amagama nje phela sithuka njalo thina sijwayele ukuthukwa futhi.
Wena ungona ukazi uthukwa.
Mina ngangithuka from the days of ushwashu. Ungakabi ne-social media
every week.
Every week.
Bakuthukelani?
Uyazi naku-public.
Yazi bamthukani noSibungu ngakhumbula. Bathatha imopo bayibeka kanje bathatha ikhadi likaSibungu. Wabona kanje imopo yokumopa
abantu. Ngibirthday yakhe.
Fonte iningi ihlukahlukene bahlale bangithuka.
Yini?
Angazi futhi anginandaba ngijwayele mina abantu bami laba futhi angibakwateli. Sometimes ngisuke ngwari nasebangasangithuki nabanganginaki. Hayi man, why ningasanginaki? Anike ningithukela. Bewesijwayele kakhulu.
Mina. Ukethelezi.
Emakhona lapha abake bakubamba khona. I think it was last of last year 2023.
Last of last year zishaya ukethelezi. Yabona manje lapha ngoba ngifanga. But ngaba strong ngathi yabona kumele ngibe indoda la ngibe strong. Yabona i-advice engayinika abantu. Yabona mfowethu mabe i-pressure kangaka. U-social media uyeke maybe for a week. Uyeke maybe for a week. Ayikho into ku-social media trend for more than 3 weeks. Hayi phela kuwena wedwa ngithi abantu abafocusile kuwena wedwa. Yabona and these days babamba ngisho live. Lapho kufanele ubayeke bese uthatha amagama abo uma ungunyama. Uthola inkukhu emnyama. Uthola ikhandlela elibomvu nekhandlela elimnyama namanaliti. Bese uthola lapho nebhayi elimnyama. Bese uthola umunye umuthi lapha ufaka phakathi lapha ufake negama. Makuthi uyibiza ngo-user, faka lo user lobhale njengoba kunjalo. Makuthi uyibiza ngalelo gama ibiza ngalo. Lezo zinto bese uye esidulini. Isidulile enhlabathi yabona le evelayo kanje. Ufike ufake phakathi lapha ukhulule. Uthi lo muntu la ngimanzi uyangisuke.